UW-Milwaukee's data science researchers are using big data to solve some of the biggest challenges of our time. They're focused on areas like cybersecurity, healthcare, manufacturing, the automotive industry, disaster relief, and more. As one of America's top research universities, we're at the forefront of technological advances and collaborations with industry leaders. That's why the university is one of 3 partners to have formed the Northwestern Mutual Data Science Institute. The institute is powered by a $40 million commitment to advance Milwaukee as a national hub for technology. In addition, UWM's new Connected Systems Institute is helping the manufacturing community prepare for the industrial Internet of Things. Industry leaders, including Rockwell Automation and Microsoft, have provided significant support for this initiative. It's home to advanced research related to optimized digital manufacturing and preparing a skilled workforce for this industrial revolution. Our faculty understands industrial downtime means lost revenue, so our team utilizes predictive research that uses big data to enable smart decisions about when to replace or recycle manufacturing parts. Enhanced systems need enhanced protection. Our faculty are researching power grid resiliency to combat cyber attacks made against the energy infrastructure. And we're researching field programmable gate arrays. These are integrated circuits that shift artificial intelligence tasks from the cloud, increasing computational speed. Their many applications include self-driving vehicles, deep sea exploration, forest monitoring, and natural disaster relief efforts. UWM researchers are also combining human expertise with data analytic models to solve complex problems. By designing software that helps identify health problems early and suggests an evidence-based plan of action, early intervention could reduce hospital stays and cost. UWM engineers and computer scientists are using the power of data to change the world by improving the work of industry and the health and well-being of people.